Okay, so this car stereo is absolutely amazing. It even has a backup camera. It comes with everything that you need to install it. It's a large 7-inch screen that's very clear. You can pick up regular radio stations, but it's also Bluetooth, so it makes it hands-free. It's easy to install and easy to use. The touch screen is definitely sensitive, so you don't have to worry about struggling with that. This is just a great overall, like brand new car type radio. It's state of the art. It will definitely upgrade any of your systems that you have now. And it's just really simple to use. I highly recommend it.
Car stereo. Let's see what's in the box. Okay. Here we have a rear view camera with power supply hookup and RCA cables, so you can hook it to the radio itself, so you can see when you're backing up. That's a good thing. Here we have the unit itself. If you can see here, the components on the back, you have a 15 amp fuse, line out, left out, right out, video out, 1, video out 2, CVBS in, cam in, antenna. In the front you have an auxiliary port here and a USB port there. You have a reset button and you have a microphone. As you can see, the screen is fully touch screen. No knobs. Comes with the plugs to plug into the back of the stereo. These wires you would hook to, are they marked? They don't appear to be marked, but I'm sure that the user manual here has all your instructions. Aha. Has your instructions on how to wire up the stereo, what wires go where, like red to A60 ignition switch 12 volt, black to ground, and so on. You have instructions here on how to wire up the rear view camera. And you have some mounting screws with brackets. I have to figure out how this works when I install it in the car. I'm not sure. According to this, they go like this. I do believe this unit is, yes, it's Bluetooth compatible. We'll be hooking the phone that's filming this up to it when I get it in the car. And that is that. Again, Hieha.
More variety. 104.3 My FM.
I'm gonna drive your spices last week, just like we always talked about.
So we're gonna unbox this new in-dash that I got here. Android. Comes with a backup camera. Looks like some nice wiring for that. And we got the in-dash itself. This looks pretty nice. This is going to be really easy to install. It's pretty light too, so I can imagine that'll be great. Let's see what else we got. We got the wiring harness, and perfect. It's even got the mounting brackets with it, so that'll be a lot easier than normal. But this backup camera looks like it's going to be really good. Got a nice mounting bracket for it also. Wait, oops. Right there. But, yeah, we got a USB plug-in right here. On the back, looks like it's got a video in and out. And the camera in. And some subwoofer outs. So this should be a pretty nice in-dash. We'll see once it gets installed.